Hello everybody, this is Divanshu Lal from your YouTube channel Life is Awesome. Today we are at this place called as the Gawarji Waterfall in Alwar city. It's very close to the Silsare lake. This is what it looks like. The entry fee is free for everybody. The cost for parking of two-wheeler is 10 rupees, four-wheeler is 20 rupees. For the bus and truck it costs around 40 bucks. It's very close to the temple. It's around 9 kilometers from the Silsara lake and around 30 kilometers from the Alwar city. It's very beautiful. That's my good luck, my darling wife. It's a very beautiful place. People come here and have a bath in this water. They take it as a holy water.